All right, this is Mr. Warwick. I'm here to go over the Unit 7 test review for you. Just kind of following along on this. The domain and range of the graph. Domain goes from left to right. It's my x values. We have filled in dots on both sides. So this is going to be a -6 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 8. Where it starts on the left, where it goes to on the right. The range goes bottom to top. So here is at a -7, less than or equal to, range is y. And then up here at the top, it's less than or equal to 4. If you can just remember that range goes with y, domain goes with x, that should get you at least 50-50 on these multiple choice tests. Number 2, the area of a rectangle is 35, x to the 9th, y to the 8th. The length is 7. The area is the whole thing. So the length is 7, x to the 5th, y to the 4th. You're dividing that out. 35 divided by 7 is 5. X to the 9th divided by x to the 5th, you subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4, that's x to the 4th. Y to the 8th over y to the 4th, 8 minus 4 is 4, that's y to the 4th. Number 3, the bus driving. This is a system. Remember, it's menu 3, 2 is the calculator shortcut to solve those systems. The green root 7 times would be 7g. The blue root 3 times would be plus 3b. And that's equal to 57.6 miles. The green 10 times is 10g. The blue 12 times is plus 12b, and that's 117. The college student needs 13 classes. This is what we were talking about the other day. It's the 4 credit classes, which we'll call F. The 3 credit classes are H. F plus H has to equal 13. We need 13 credits. It's 4 credits for every 4-hour class, plus 3 credits for every 3-hour class is equal to 46 credits. Again, menu 3-2, use the system to solve that one. Area of the rectangle means you're multiplying these. Set up your boxes. It's 2x plus 2, 5x minus 1. That's 10x squared, 10x minus 2x, and then minus 2. So this is 10x squared. I combine my like terms, plus 8x minus 2. When this one says it's combining inventory, combine means you add together. These two go together. These two go together. Or no, sorry. This one has g. It's by itself. These two are going to go together. So we have 4 1/2 g squared. We have minus 3/5 g. Nothing's going to change that one. And the 9/2 and the 1/4, we convert this to fourths, or you can add these two on your calculator. You're going to get 19 over 4. On the back side, we go to simplify. We're just combining like terms, but we have to distribute this -1 first. That's a -7 and a -4. It's -11x squared. That's a -5x and a positive 8x. That's plus 3x. And then a 3 minus 9 is a -6. On this one, when we go to factor, it's difference of squares. Just remember, the two factors should look the same. It's just one is plus, the other is minus. This is 7x plus 13y and 7x minus 13y. You can leave the y off so that you can still do this in the calculator the way we were doing them in class, but you have to put that y back on for the answer. So make sure you're looking for an answer multiple choice that has that. On this one where it says simplify, again, we're drawing boxes. This is 5x minus 2 times 3x squared minus 7x plus 6. 5 times 3 is 15. X times x squared is x to the 3rd. 5x times -7x is -35x squared. 5x times 6 is 30x. -2 times 3x, we have a -6x squared. This is going to be a plus 14x and then minus 12. We put together our like terms. It's 15x to the 3rd minus 41x squared plus 44x minus 12. On this one, we go to factor. Again, you can do this in the calculator. It's menu 3, 3. You take that solution, you reverse the signs. If you get a fraction like you would on this one, you're going to move that up to the front. Same thing with pretty much all of these. You might be able to do one like this and be able to get by on this one by saying, you know, what's going to multiply together to make a positive 20 and add together to make a -9. It's going to be a -4 and a -5. That's x minus 4, x minus 5. This is another factoring one. It's, menu 3, 3. Be on the lookout for if you have a greatest common factor. Neither of these two have a greatest common factor, but you do need to kind of watch out for that. Area of a square, this is asking the same thing. The length of each side, it wants you to factor it. Go through and find your factors. It's just that on this one, it's going to be 4x plus 3. It's going to be the same for every single one of them because it's a square. All of the sides are the same. Area of a sheet of paper, this one's asking you to divide, and you can actually do that one step at a time. 14x squared divided by 2x gives you 7x. The 21 divided by the plus 7 is going to give you a plus 3. This is my other side. Area of this triangle, we're not doing anything super special. It's this one. We're multiplying it by this one. You make your boxes. It's 4x minus 2. It's 3x plus 5. That's 12x. 20x minus 6x minus 10. But once you put them all together, 12x squared, plus 14x minus 10, it is the 1/2. So you need to divide everything by 2. The answer is going to be 6x squared plus 7x minus 5. Hopefully this helps you out. If you need to, stop by for tutorials. The test is on Monday. Good luck.